fifth sum, first subdivision. What is it given? ABC is a triangle. Angle A is pi by 2 or 90. You can take pi by 2 or 90, but AB is a triangle. If it is triangle, this is A, this is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle A alone pi by 2. Then what is sum of angles? The sum of angles should be 180 degree. So angle B plus angle C. Angle A is equal to pi by 2 means angle B plus angle C is equal to pi by 2. Because what is pi by 2? Pi by 2 is nothing but 90. Here 90. Totally going to be 90. So this both we need to add. So get 90. Because 90 plus 90, 180. Sum of triangle is nothing but 180 degree should be. Angle A is pi by 2. The angle B plus angle C is equal to pi by 2. This you want to know must. Next LHS. First LHS is nothing but cos square B plus cos square C is equal to cos square B plus, I am going to write cos C the whole square, because cos square C, cos square B plus, how the C can be written? C is nothing but B minus pi by 2. B minus pi by 2. What is present here? Whole square. So put whole square also. Nothing but cos square B plus cos of B minus pi by 2. Sorry, pi by 2 minus B. Pi by 2 minus B. Cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Sin B, what is present here? Square. Sin square B plus cos square B is equal to 1, is equal to RHS. First subdivision is over. Next I need to prove the second subdivision. Second subdivision is sin square B plus sin square C is equal to 1. So LHS sin square B plus sin square C to prove. Okay, therefore sin square B plus sin C the whole square, sin square B plus sin, how the C can be written? Pi by 2 minus B. Now I write pi by 2 minus B. What is present here? Whole square is equal to sin square B plus sin of 90 minus theta is something but cos theta, cos B. What is present here? Square. Sin square B plus cos square B is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. We have put second subdivision also. Next, the last subdivision is exercise third sum. To prove cos B minus cos C, cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 2 cos B by 2 and sin C by 2. So we will go and derive this sum. So LHS. What is LHS? Cos B minus cos C. Cos B minus cos C. This B I am going to write as cos of pi by 2. B I can write as pi by 2 minus C. Pi by 2 minus C. Cos of pi by 2 minus C minus this cos C. How I am going to write? So I will write first cos C after I fill it. Cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta, nothing but sin C minus cos C. Sin C minus cos C. So what I am going to write? This sin C, formula, sin 2C is equal to 2 sin C cos C. This is the formula. Sin 2C is nothing but 2 sin C cos C. But I need only sin C. This 2 moves per angle. Sin C is equal to 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Our sin C is nothing but 2 sin C by 2 and cos C by 2 minus. Next I need to write for cos C. The formula, one of the cos 2C is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square C. Remove 2 here. Cos C is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Because in RHS we need to bring sin and sin. So only. So what is the percent? Minus. What is cos C? Cos 1 minus 2 sin square by 2. Since this minus cos C, I put minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin square C by 2. So minus 1 plus 2 sin square C by 2. C by 2. Here minus 1 I will put outside. Minus 1. Here 2 sin C by 2. Here also 2 sin C by 2 is common. So put it outside. 2 sin C by 2. Open the bracket. There will be a cos C by 2 plus 2 sin. Remaining is sin C by 2. Somewhat difficult only, but we need to do. Cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2. So we know the formula. What is it? B plus C is equal to pi by 2. B plus C is equal to pi by 2. So what I'm going to change is nothing but I'm going to remove this c. I'm going to remove this c. So how I'm going to remove? Nothing but this b goes here. What become? C is equal to pi by 2 minus b. But what is present here? C by 2 is present. Since c by 2 is present, I need to put 2. C by 2. If I am going to put, it will become pi by 4 minus b by 2. Minus b by 2. So what I am going to do here, I will write here 1 minus 2 sine c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 sine c by 2. Close the bracket. Cos c by 2. Cos c by 2 means cos, what is c by 2? Pi by 4 minus b by 2. Cos pi by 4 minus b by 2. Next, sin c by 2. The same, pi by 4 minus b by 2. Close the bracket. So 1 minus 2 sin c by 2. Open the bracket. This is cos a minus b formula. Cos a minus b. This is sin a minus b formula. Cos a minus b formula is cos a cos b. This will be a, this will be b. This will be a, this will be a. Cos a minus b is nothing but cos a cos b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin pi by 4 sin p by 2. It's over. Plus sin a minus b. Sin pi by 4 sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a sin b. So cos pi by 4 cos b by 2 plus sin pi by 4 sin b by 2 plus sin pi by 4 cos b by 2 minus cos pi by 4 sin b by 2. So 1 minus 2 sin c by 2. Open the bracket. Cos pi by 4 cos 45 1 by root 2 cos b by 2 plus sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 sin b by 2 plus sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 cos b by 2 minus cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 sin b by 2. Close the bracket. So any cancel is possible? Yes, this one and this one we can cancel. Then what is the remaining? 1 minus 2 sin c by 2. The remaining is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is nothing but 1 plus 1 2. 2 divided by root 2 cos b by 2. Cos b by 2. So 1 minus 2 sin c by 2. This root 2, this 2 I can write as root 2 into root 2 by root 2 cos b by 2. Close the bracket. Root 2 cancel. 1 minus 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2 cos b by 2 and sin c by 2. Cos b by 2 and sin c by 2. This only we need to prove RHS. Hence proof. From this we have finished in this exercise.